Hey, imagine waking up in 2025 where AI doesn't just assist, it anticipates your needs, turning chaotic days into seamless productivity flows, sparking wild creativity on demand, and simplifying daily life like never before. But here's the game changer. Big Tech just dropped tools this year that make this real, and you can start using them today without waiting. I'm diving into the newest launches from Microsoft, Google, Meta, Apple, OpenAI, and Amazon, straight from 2025 events like Microsoft Build and AI Spring updates. We'll cover what they do, real use cases for work, art, and everyday routines, plus exactly how to access and integrate them with your current setup. Stick around. This could transform how you live and create. Let's start with Microsoft. At Build 2025, they unveiled MAI-1, their first in-house AI model rivaling OpenAI, plus autonomous AI agents for Azure. MAI-1 processes massive datasets 30% faster than predecessors, focusing on reasoning for complex tasks. For productivity, picture an agent automating your email triage. It scans inboxes, prioritizes based on urgency, and drafts responses using your style, saving pros like marketers 2 hours daily. In creativity, it generates custom code snippets for developers, iterating on ideas in real time. Daily life? Integrate it with Outlook for smart scheduling that factors in traffic and weather. Access it now via Azure Portal. Sign up for a free tier, then link to tools like Microsoft Teams or GitHub for seamless workflows. Early users report 40% efficiency boosts in hybrid work setups. Shifting to Google, Gemini 2.5 launched in March 2025 with breakthrough reasoning that handles multi-step logic 50% better than Gemini 1.5. It's built for on-the-fly problem solving. Productivity-wise, use it in Google Workspace to analyze spreadsheets, input sales data, and it forecasts trends with visualizations, helping businesses predict inventory needs accurately. For creativity, it co-writes stories or scripts. Feed it a plot outline, and it refines dialogue with emotional depth. In daily life, pair it with Google Maps for personalized travel plans that adapt to your habits, like suggesting eco routes. Get started on gemini.google.com. It's free for basics, integrates directly with Gmail or Docs, no extra setup needed, just enable the extension. Now, Meta's Llama 3.1 from mid-2025 stands out with integrations allowing it to pull from Google or OpenAI models for hybrid AI power. It excels in multilingual processing, supporting 20-plus languages natively. Productivity use? In WhatsApp Business, it automates customer chats, resolving queries 70% faster by analyzing intent. Creatively, it designs social media graphics, describe a vibe, and it outputs editable images. For daily life, use it in Instagram for smart photo editing that suggests filters based on your feed's aesthetic. Access via Meta's AI Studio at ai.meta.com. Integrate with apps like Facebook Messenger by adding the Llama bot, free for personal use. Apple's Apple Intelligence 2.0, rolled out in June 2025, runs entirely on-device for privacy with enhanced Siri that understands context across apps. It processes voice commands 40% quicker. Productivity, in Notes app, it summarizes meetings from audio, pulling key action items. Creatively, it remixes photos in the Photos app, blending elements for unique art. Daily, Siri now manages smart home routines, like adjusting lights based on your sleep patterns. It's built into iOS 19. Update your iPhone, enable in settings, and it integrates with HomeKit or Calendar automatically. OpenAI's DALL-E 4 upgrade in early 2025 revolutionized image gen with hyper-realistic outputs and style consistency. It generates 4K images in seconds. Productivity, marketers create ad visuals from text prompts, iterating designs 5 times faster. Creatively, artists use it to prototype concepts, like generating fantasy worlds from descriptions. Daily, make custom wallpapers or meal planners with visualized recipes. Access at chat.openai.com, subscribe to Plus for $20 a month, integrate with tools like Canva via API for drag-and-drop edits. Finally, Amazon's Bedrock Agents from Innovate 2025 enable custom AI workflows on AWS. They handle enterprise-scale data with 99% uptime. Productivity? E-commerce teams automate inventory checks, predicting shortages via real-time analysis. Creatively, it scripts video content outlines for creators. Daily, integrate with Alexa for personalized shopping lists that learn your preferences. Sign up at aws.amazon.com/bedrock. Free trial available. Links easily to Zapier for connecting with apps like Slack. There you have it. These 2025 AI powerhouses are reshaping our world, from boosting output to igniting imagination. As tech evolves, tools like these prove AI is here to empower, not replace. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more AI revolutions.